Imagine waking up every month knowing that you're getting paid, whether you're working or not. No stress, no hustle, just checks arriving like clockwork. Now, what if I told you that this isn't some fantasy? It's a reality you can create with a concept called the Dividend Snowball. In today's video, I'll show you how you can live off dividends faster than you think. Whether you're starting with a single $1,000 investment or building a portfolio step by step with just $200 a month, I'll break down how you can build a dividend machine that grows on its own year after year. Stick with me to the end, and I'll even show you how to construct the perfect portfolio that could eventually generate $5,000 a month in passive income. What is the dividend snowball effect? The dividend snowball effect is one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies you'll ever come across. Picture this. Every time a company pays you a dividend, instead of spending that money, you reinvest it to buy more shares. Those new shares? They generate even more dividends, which you reinvest again. Over time, this creates a compounding loop where your investment grows faster and faster, just like a snowball rolling downhill. Here's the magic of the snowball. It starts small, but as it gains momentum, the growth becomes exponential. A few years in, the difference might seem minor, but by year 10 or 20, your portfolio could be producing thousands of dollars in dividends every month. That's the power of compounding. One-time investment versus monthly contributions. Let's compare two strategies to see how the dividend snowball works in real life. Imagine you make a one-time investment of $1,000 in a strong dividend-paying stock, or ETF, with an average annual return of 8%, including dividends. After 25 years, your $1,000 grows to nearly $7,000. Not bad, right? But now let's take it up a notch. Instead of a one-time investment, what if you committed to investing $200 every month? Over those same 25 years, your portfolio would grow to an astonishing $186,000. That's the power of consistent contributions combined with reinvesting dividends. What's more, that $186,000 could generate roughly $7,500 in annual dividend income, or $625 a month, all without touching the principal. And if you keep reinvesting those dividends, the snowball keeps rolling, growing even bigger. Why reinvesting dividends is the key. This is where many investors underestimate the power of dividends. It's not just about the income, it's about reinvesting that income. Let me give you an example. If you invest $1,000 in a dividend stock with a 4% yield, you'll earn $40 in dividends the first year. If you reinvest that $40, you'll own more shares, which means next year's dividend will be higher, say $41.60. Over time, this compounding effect accelerates. In fact, a $1,000 investment in a strong dividend stock can grow to nearly $30,000 in 25 years if dividends are reinvested. That's the dividend snowball in action. Your money working harder for you year after year. Constructing the ideal dividend portfolio. To build a successful dividend snowball, you need to pick the right investments. Here's what I recommend looking for. Dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have increased their dividends for 25 years or more. They've proven they can weather recessions and still reward shareholders. Think Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. High dividend ETFs. ETFs like the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, offer a diversified basket of dividend-paying stocks with lower risk than individual stocks. Dividend-paying REITs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, are required to pay out 90% of their taxable income as dividends. This makes them excellent for income generation. Look for well-managed REITs like Realty Income or Alexandria Real Estate. Dividend growth rates. Focus on companies or funds with a history of increasing their dividends annually. A higher dividend growth rate means your income grows faster over time. Examples of ideal investments. Let's look at a few examples of investments that could power your dividend snowball. Coca-Cola, KO. With over 60 years of dividend increases, Coca-Cola is a classic dividend aristocrat. Its reliable payouts make it a favorite among income investors. Procter & Gamble, PG. Another stalwart, Procter & Gamble offers both stability and growth, making it a cornerstone for any dividend portfolio. And Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. This ETF combines diversification with high dividend yields and growth. It's one of my top picks for hands-off investors. A Realty Income. Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income pays dividends every month, making it perfect for generating consistent income. These are just a few examples, but the key is to diversify across sectors and include a mix of individual stocks, ETFs, and REITs. Projecting your future dividend income. Now let's get to the exciting part. How much income can you really generate with the Dividend Snowball? Let's say you invest $200 a month in a portfolio yielding 4%, with an annual growth rate of 8%. After 30 years, your portfolio would be worth over $300,000, generating roughly $12,000 in annual dividend income, or $1,000 a month. But here's the thing. If you consistently reinvest those dividends instead of spending them, your portfolio could grow to over $600,000, doubling your income to $24,000 a year, or $2,000 a month. Keep reinvesting, and by year 40, you're looking at a portfolio worth over $1 million, generating more than $40,000 annually. That's over $3,300 a month without lifting a finger. Living off dividends faster than you think. I know 30 or 40 years sounds like a long time, but here's the good news. You don't have to wait that long to see results. By investing in high-quality dividend stocks and reinvesting your dividends, you can start generating meaningful income within just 5 to 10 years. And if you increase your contributions as your income grows, you'll reach your goals even faster. Remember, the Dividend Snowball is about consistency and patience. Every dollar you invest today brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Imagine the day you can live off your dividends, travel the world, or spend more time with family, all because you made the decision to start building your snowball today. So, are you ready to start your Dividend Snowball? Whether you're starting with $1,000 or committing to $200 a month, the key is to start now. Pick the right investments, reinvest your dividends, and let time do the rest. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking to take control of their financial future. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, the snowball starts small, but it can take you further than you ever imagined.